Now I'm going to show you how to set up your first webhook on zootools. As you know, zootools is the easiest email marketing and customer relationship management product in the market. For setting up your webhook, all we need is a URL. You can obtain this URL asking your developers, setting up a Zapier endpoint, or in this case, I'm going to show you how to set up a test URL. The purpose of this URL is that whenever some of those actions happen, a user subscribes to your newsletter, unsubscribe, open an email, you will get an update in this URL. To test a webhook, just simply Google webhook test and click on the first link, webhook.site. They will create a new webhook for us automatically that we can copy paste to do testing. I'm going to copy this and paste it on zootools. Once you do this, click on create a webhook. Ba-bam! Now we have the webhook setup. Let's see in action. I'm going to pretend to be a user that is signing up for your newsletter. I enter test at zootools.co, click on join now. And as you can tell, the user has just signed up. Now let's take a look to how the webhook worked. Yay! It worked! So I sign up as a new subscriber and I get a webhook update in real time into this endpoint. Now, if we go back to the webhook test, you will see that we just received that webhook event right here. I got a member added event, so meaning like the user subscribe, and here it's all the information for the user that zootools collected, such as the email and many more information. This was the easiest way to set up a webhook and receive updates in real time. From here, the best is actually if you know a developer that can help you out to set up webhooks, or if you are using something like Zapier, you can actually set very nice automations using them.